Hello everyone, how are you lovely drivers and owners? Welcome to my channel and welcome to my next this video. This video just car oil information. So basic 12 points car maintenance checklist with photos. Okay, let's go for video. Basic 12 points car maintenance checklist with photos. Your car starts and runs every day thanks to your efforts to maintain it. Here is a basic maintenance checklist. You can find the instruction for your car in the owner's manual. Number 1, check the engine oil level and condition. Check the engine oil level and condition. Many cars normally consume some amount of engine oil between wheel change. Driving low on oil can causes problems. Most car will not show any warning if the oil levels is low in the engine. It's good idea to check the engine oil level with the dipstick at last once a month. How to check the oil level? Warm up the engine. Park your vehicle on a level spot. Set the parking brake. Make sure the transmission is in park. Turn the engine off. Wait for a minute to let engine oil flow down into the oil pan. Open the hood and find the engine oil dipstick. It has a bright handle saying engine oil. Be careful, the engine is hot. The owner's manual for your car has the instruction and the map of the engine compartment in the maintenance section of your car's owner's manual. Pull the dipstick out and wipe it off with a clean towel. This image, pull the dipstick out and wipe it off with a clean towel. Insert it back until the dipstick is fully settled. Pull it out again and check the oil level. Carefully, the dipstick might be not. Oil level, this dipstick oil okay, dirty. This dipstick oil level low, dirty. This dipstick no oil. Follow the all dipstick. This dipstick coolant in oil. This dipstick level low, clean, top up. Level okay, clean. This is dipstick very well. How to read the oil dipstick? Yes, the oil level should be between the low and full marks or within the cross section. This is cross section. If the level is low, top it up. See how value. Check the oil condition. If the oil is dirty and low, have the oil change done or at least let's top up the towel. If it's more or less clean but low, but it up. If the level is okay and the oil is not too dirty, good job, keep driving. Of course, in a diesel or turbocharged gasoline engine. Gasoline engine. Even fairly fresh oil will look dark soon after the oil change. How to top up engine oil? How to top up engine oil? Top up the engine oil. Use the recommended oil grade. The most common oil grades are 0W-20, 5W-20 and 5W-30. You can find it in your owner's manual or on the oil filler cap. If your engine needs synthetic oil, use only synthetic oil. Check the oil grades on the oil filter cap. This is oil filter cap and it's this see oil grade. Okay, use a manual if needed. Wipe the spill with a towel. If it's still low, add some more, but don't overfill it. Don't forget to install the dipstick back and close the oil filler cap when you are done. Number 2, visually check the battery. Check the battery condition visually. Check the battery condition visually. Look at the battery terminals. They should not be loose or corroded. See the photos. Crossing or loose connection at the battery terminal can result in a no start. Check engine light, lack of electric power, steering setting assist, and many other problems. You may find tips on how to clean the battery terminal in your vehicle's owner's manual. There are some YouTube videos on the subject. Be careful that white bulky crossing shaft stuff on the battery is very acidic. Servicing battery terminals in a repair shop cost from $30 to $55. Cornered battery terminals will causes problem. If your engine turns over slow than before, or you need to boost your car to start several times, these are the thing that your battery is getting weak. Your machine can do a battery test to check the capacity. If your battery is more than 5 years old and you notice that is getting weak, it might to be a good idea to just replace it. Number 3, check engine coolant antifreeze. Check engine coolant antifreeze. Many expensive engine repairs, such as blown head gasket and caused by overheating. The cooling system keeps the engine temperature in check, but to work properly it needs to have enough coolant. Visually check the engine coolant antifreezing level in the overflow tank. the owner's manual has instruction. The level should be between the low and full or minimum and maximum marks. So thank you, thanks a lot watching my video. I hope